Welcome to Benoa Family Channel. Today we're going to make Beng Beng ice cream. The ingredients are 4 pieces of Beng Beng chocolate bars, 1 or 2 set of sweet condensed creamer as you like, 4 ice cream sticks, 250 milliliters water, a spoon and scissors, and a glass. Okay, let's make the ice cream now. First, we break the Beng Beng chocolate bar into pieces. Next, we cut open the sweet condensed creamer and pour it into the water. Mix them well using a spoon. Then we cut open the Beng Beng wrap. And fill it with the sweet condensed creamer that we have already mixed with water. Fill it until really full. Then put 1 ice cream stick into the middle. Now do the same for the rest of the Beng Bengs. Okay, the Beng Bengs are ready for freezer. Put the Beng Bengs into freezer for about 5 hours.
5 hours later.
After 5 hours, take the Beng Beng ice cream out from the freezer. Now we cut the Beng Beng wrap. Be careful when you cut the wrap. Don't break the ice cream. Finally, our Beng Beng ice cream is ready. So crispy, chocolatey, sweet, and refreshing. One bite is never enough. Thank you for watching Benowo Family Channel. Hope you love our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to get our next videos. Bye!